How free backlinks work and how to use them right. Free backlinks can work wonder if you know how to use them correctly. Every niche has countless backlink opportunities, but it's all about strategy. Here's how to make them count. Number 1. Write a unique description for each backlink submission. Number 2. Choose the right keywords and use them manually as anchor text. Number 3. Include a clear call to action in every listing or post. Number 4. Stay consistent. Even 5 to 10 submissions a day can add up over time. Track which links are driving real traffic and keep referring your across. If done right, free backlink can bring serious organic growth over time. If you want to know more, visit our website. Thanks for watching.